The universe is already working its way in our favor, and we don't even realize it. I recently experienced something, so I just thought to share. I'm on my third published book, and honestly, the sales have not been that great, even starting with my first book. But then, as you say, you keep going forward. And when I think about my first book, I really thought that it's stopped its journey of promotions, and I also concluded to myself that now no one's going to read my first book. Now it's just going to be way forward, and the newer books that I write will be promoted, and that's how it's going to be. But I recently got a DM from someone, and it just made me realize something that I'd like to share here. So, someone messaged me saying that, hey, I really liked the way you've discussed and you know expressed about certain things, and it really resonated with me. But and I'd really like to talk to you about it. When I read that, I thought, hey, maybe it's about my third book. But then when she sent me a picture of my first book, I was really taken aback, and I immediately got in touch with her, and she was so excited to share what she felt. And I was so I was so grateful to hear from her, because nobody really takes the effort of searching you and writing to you when someone really enjoys what they uh, see, what you've written, and what they experience, what they feel about how you've written certain things. So it just took me a while to realize that, hey, maybe it's not over yet, and maybe there's something working in the background which I really don't know about. And this really made me realize that whatever we do, if we are putting the right intent and right hard work to it, it really pays off. Maybe not yet, but someday, at the right time, it definitely pays off. So whatever you're doing currently, I urge you to keep going. And I know that we come to a phase where it just very, very saturated. We feel very stuck sometimes, but the next best thing to do is just keep doing what you're doing. So here's to everyone who's trying hard, and here's to everyone who's waiting for that moment. And trust me, it's in store. So yeah, that's it from me today. Thank you for listening. Until next time.